night before the tournament, everything rigged up. I'm bringing 6 rods with me. First, frog or punch. Another top water is buzzbait, walking bait. Number 3 is plopper, top water. Number 4 is moving, swim bait. Number 5, flipping. And number 6, wacky rig. Had to load it up. Had to wake up around 4 o'clock. Hour and a half driving. Excited about tomorrow. Don't have high hopes. Goal is just to get a limit, and we're going from there. It's gonna be hot, so I have to catch him early in the morning. Excited about the area I'm gonna fish at. A lot of cover, a lot of mats, as you've seen in the previous video, in the practice video. That's the plan for tonight. Just take it easy, have a good rest. Hope everybody have fun.
Okay, we're rolling. 6 a.m. That's a fish. Whew. Heart is pumping. Just got this guy. Just got this guy on a frog. Got so excited. Not a bad guy, by the way. Not a bad guy. Whew. Who needs energy drinks when the bass eats top water? I'm shaking, literally. Still shaking after that bite. Okay, but we need not just a bite, we need a couple. We need 5 fish today. Okay. Is that a keeper? Probably not. Okay, you hot, huh? I know you're hot. You're so bad. Size limit is 10 inches. So this is a limit. It's 11 1/4 fish. Really? Well, that's interesting. That's not our boy. I mean, oh. Yeah, this is that lure that I found previous when I was Lake Collinsville. I pulled up to the tree. I was fishing under the tree, and I see there's a lot of lures there. One of those treasure trees, and this whopper plopper was there. I took it to River Float, which is one of my videos, but I didn't replace the hooks. Caught a couple of fish, but I lost a few good ones. Now the hooks are replaced, and it seems like we're good.
Okay, it's 9:30. Started fishing at 6. It's been 3.5 hours. I got 4 fish, 4 keepers, 16.5, and 3 small fish. Didn't submit the fish yet. Hopefully we get the limit soon and then work on upgrade, because we definitely need to upgrade 2 fish. Fishing until 1:45, so we got 4 hours at least. Let's go. It's a fish. Wow. Wow! Of course. Of course. Of course, Alex. Oh my god. That was the 5th fish. Ah, son of a gun. It's very hot. Lines out 145. 5 keepers. Got a limit. Didn't get a big fish. Wanted to get 19, 20 incher, but I guess not today. It was fun. I'm not regretting I picked this area. Let's submit our catch and check out the standings. That was a nice one. 3 small fish, but I'm satisfied. I had a blast. Kind of like this area. Probably gonna come back sometime in the spring. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.